Hi y'all, I've had this fan for about a year now. As you can see, there's a little bit of dust accumulating on it. I am an ER nurse. I work in a very busy hospital. It gets very hot. I absolutely love this fan. I've had doctors buy it. It's not the most powerful fan, but you definitely get a really good breeze from it. It plugs in directly to a USB port. It's still going strong after a year. I bring this everywhere. It's so easy to transport with you. It fits in my purse and my lunch bag. Keep it in my car. It's cute. It does the job. I love it.
So currently the switch is set to off, and as you can see, it is not off. Low speed, off. Pressed it, it turned off. And then back to high speed. It should be off, but it's going faster instead.
Yeah. Come on. Why is an error occurring now? It's very quiet.
It's actually louder in the video than it really is. It's actually very soft sounding. It's next to a remote. You can see how tiny it is. It's very simple, and it's actually quite decorative on the end table, so it doesn't look like some obnoxious fan. It's just part of the room. I'm getting more. Totally getting more.
falling down by the end of the night.